Hey guys, this is KCK and today's video is going to be about this hot oil treatment. So if you want to see how I achieve these amazing moisturizing results, keep watching. Okay, so let's get started guys. I'm going to take this applicator bottle right here for easy applying. Then I'm going to go in with our Nature's All Growth Serum. I went into depth on which oils exactly are in this on a previous video. I will leave that link above. And then we're going to go in with some coconut oil. Y'all know coconut oil promotes great hair growth, rich in vitamins and minerals. I don't really care for this coconut oil in particular because it has a bunch of different other oils mixed in it, but it was good for the time being, so we used it. All right, so we going in with the lavender oil as well. Lavender is great for hair growth. It speeds up hair growth, reduces stress. And then we have our peppermint oil, and it produces a tingling sensation when it increases circulation, which promotes hair growth. And we have our tea tree oil, which unplugs the hair follicle and increases hair growth and is rich in antioxidant properties. And we have our grapeseed oil. Y'all know I love grapeseed oil. I showed y'all this in plenty of other videos. It's great for hair growth, rich in vitamin E. And it's rich in fatty acids and also great in vitamins and minerals. So I'm going to start off by using the Nature's All, putting that in the applicator bottle first. And this whole oil application is great for hair growth, y'all. I want my hair waist length, so I'm using a bunch of different oils to make my hair grow. So if you're looking to get your hair to grow, please give this remedy a try. So I'm basically eyeballing everything. I eyeballed the grapeseed oil. I just wanted a good amount of grapeseed oil in there and coconut because that is the carrier oil for these essential oils. And I'm just using several drops of each essential oil. And the growth serum is also a great carrier oil. So I want a lot of my carrier oils and just several drops of the essential oils. It does not have to be perfect, y'all just make enough. You go feel every drop, okay? Like a little goes a long way with this. So, and we're gonna just shake that up to make sure we have everything all mixed up in there. So now I have a bowl of hot water. Y'all can see the steam coming from it. It's boiling hot. I just pulled it off the stove. So I'm going to take my applicator bottle and just swirl it around in there for a couple seconds. And then I'm going to take it out and fill it to see if it's warm enough, okay? Like you do not want to leave this in no hot water. You will burn your scalp, and that's what we don't want. We want our hair to grow, not break, okay? We don't want it to burn. So that was pretty good for me. Okay, so I'm taking off my bonnet, guys. We don't look like a mushroom today. We look more like an onion. I'm super happy that it wasn't as bad as my previous video where I showed y'all where I did not wash my hair for like 3 weeks. But yes, so I'm just taking my hair and I'm sectioning it off because we like to be organized. So I got my 4 sections right here. They're not perfect. Y'all know I'm not the best porter, but I'm super happy, y'all. Y'all feel my vibe. Y'all feel my energy because my hair is not super tangled and I know it's going to be a good wash day. So I'm going in with some good water, probably like some warm water. My hair hasn't had water in it for a minute, so y'all know it's a vibe. It's a vibe. It feels really good. So my hair is now getting hydrated. Now I'm going in with our lovely oil mix. So y'all know when the throwbacks come on, I turn up. So I was really in my zone listening to my music because I was just so happy to be having this oil applied. I knew it was gonna be amazing. Like, look girl, like look what it's doing to my hair. Like, it is like showing off my length, and just my hair is just taken to this oil so well. It feels so great on my scalp, y'all. It feels so great to my hair. Like even on the length of my hair, you can just see how it's just My hair just loves this love I'm giving it today. Like, as you can see, separating my hair is a breeze. Like, that oil is making it so easy to just go through and detangle my hair. Like, the wide tooth comb that I'm using right now is just gliding through. It's no like heavy kinks. Like, the oil is just really just smoothing all of my tangles out, all of the mattedness. It just made it just so amazing. Like, that's why I was just so happy about this oil treatment, because I knew it was gonna be great. Like, it was gonna be amazing for my hair. So now I'm just twisting my hair up. I got it all worked through with my fingers and my comb, so y'all can see my bob is still lit. So I'm combing the ends to just make sure that they're nice and detangled while I'm twisting this up, so it's just absorbing everything that I'm giving it. Y'all, so fast forward to the front. Look at that side. Like, it looks so sleek and slayed and moisturized, just lovely. And the other side just looks pretty hefty. So I'm just proceeded with the same process. I really wanted you guys to see from the front how this is like affecting my hair. Excuse me, like, John Legend came on, the best you never had. I just was lit, girl. Like, I'm like, this oil is lit, I'm lit. Okay, so peep my roots right here, y'all. Like, look how thick they are, and just look at the difference between that side and that. And now, like, look how the oil is just penetrating into my hair. Like, my roots was just all puffy, right? This oil is like, look, where's the puffiness? There's no more puffiness, y'all. Like, that oil just really penetrated into my hair, my roots, my scalp, and it just put everything down. Like, it just loved, my hair just fell in love. Like, it just made it so easy to work through my hair, and it feels so good on my scalp. That peppermint providing that tingling sensation, that cold feeling, it just feels so great. Like, look at my hair from what it was looking like, y'all. It was looking so dry and rough. Now it just looks like so very moisturized and sleek. Like, it looks beautiful, y'all. My hair is completely laid down, y'all. I didn't have to do no heavy detangling to get my hair to lay like that. Like, the oil did all of that by itself. Y'all seen it. Now I'm just taking a minute to show myself some self-care, massage it in my hair and my scalp really nice. And I just wanted you guys to see just how amazing this oil is, like, doing in my hair strands. Like, you can see the oil just working its magic, like, as I'm separating my hair. It was really felt good, y'all. Like, I believe y'all will really love this. Oil was just nice and warm. It wasn't too hot, and it was perfect, y'all. That's why I just smoothed in my hair like this. Like, look at that. Like, my hair looks completely, my curls are popping, y'all. Like, absolutely popping. And working my comb through is a breeze, as I said before. Just a reminder, guys, don't forget to hit that like button below if you like this video, and don't forget to comment. Let me know if you would try this out. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you know when I'm updated, and you can stay tuned with your girl. Thank you guys so much. And now on with the rest of the video. Now I'm finally all finished, and I'm going to just take the rest of the oil and apply it just throughout my hair, just anywhere that I feel that the oil is necessary and needed to be applied, mainly in the back since that's like my driest area for my hair. I wanted to get that a little extra love. Now I'm just gonna go in with my plastic cap and let that sit on my hair for, I let it sit for about an hour. You can do it however long, at least like 10-20 minutes. And this was my results. Y'all know it's a vibe. So y'all see just like what it did. This is after I washed it and conditioned it and deep conditioned. It was popping. Okay, yes, girl, it's popping. Like, look at the results are everything, y'all. Like, my hair is frizz free, tangle free. It's so soft. It feels amazing. Like, that pick me up. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, like and comment, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SheIs. Bye, guys.